Hi, this is a test video for Screencast-O-Matic using my Okio webcam. So I'm checking to see if audio is being recorded. And I also kind of want to see how quickly the video can be recorded. So I don't know what these little buttons do. It's going to be a focus. I don't know what that one does. I don't know what that one does. Let's see what this one does here on the side. Doesn't look like I have any zoom capabilities. So if I want to zoom, I'm just going to have to get close to make it bigger. So I guess that answers my question about whether or not the Screencast-O-Matic plus the OkiCam equals success.